Okay, so I just thought this was a cool flow the way I was going about this. So, right now, this project is my personal website, and so it looks like this where you enter and it takes you immediately to this little garden I built a while back. And it's fun. It has like a little, you can click on it, and it has a little modal because I was reading this book and it has this parable where it talks about how the mind is a garden, and one of the reference points is a red lighthouse, and that is your purpose, what you are working towards. What when things get confusing, this is your lighthouse, your core. So that's there. But then you enter the mind, and then there's just the little key logo. And I put that in there, and I was like, okay, these are fun little Easter eggs, right? Super fun and random, and I don't even know what that is, and it might disappear. But this website has changed so many times. And this is something that I think people should rather find rather than it being the first entry point. Because look, it's like a fun little Easter egg. So my vision is wanting to change this whole flow and make this a much more intuitive touch point for people to understand how I think. Oh, that's the wrong thing. But that's because I want my website to be somewhere that people can go to understand more about what Key is and what we're building. Because there's just so much that we are thinking about and building and figuring out, and it doesn't get built overnight, it doesn't get explained overnight. So we are going to be refactoring this website. So this is my flow, if you will, of how I'm building. I'm just gonna capture how I think and build. But right now I'm in the project, and I'm talking to I'm not talking to Claude. Silly me. So I'm gonna start talking to Claude. I'm gonna say, all right, we are doing a major or a website refactor, and in order to make sure we communicate clearly the current state project, please generate concise document that explains the current state of this project, how everything works and what is being used, as well as what components are included, things that can be refactored and used as we build out the vision. If you have any clarifying questions, please ask before creating